All right, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tomzon Flying Man. Okay, so I saw this thing. I saw this thing on Amazon, and it was really cheap. Okay, it was really cheap, but when I saw this thing, I said, "Oh, I gotta buy this just so I can send it to Ron Brown when I'm done with it." Okay, it's called the Flying Man, and when I got this, when the box showed up, I turned the box around and I noticed that they have the Flying Motorcycle Man also. And you see it's on the side here, it's checked. Mine is the Flying Man. There's the box. There's the Flying Motorcycle Man. So, I just said, I gotta get this. Oh, by the way, there, go visit Drone Pool. Great hats, great merch from that guy. He's got the best stuff. Anyway, let's get it out of here, man. Let's check it out. Oh, there's a thank you card in there. And then all those cautions, you know, don't charge the battery if it's swelling and all that good stuff. We know not to do those things. Here's the manual, and I will tell you the manual is very good on this thing. Really a decent manual. Laid out real nice. Explains everything in here that you're going to need to know. So, that's that. And then it has the charger right here. It's not a like proprietary charger, so you can basically use any USB, micro USB deal. Right there is the port, and then there's the on and off button right there. Now it has 4 props, and one is stacked on, or one, and then there's one inverted. There's the little dude. Now it doesn't show you anywhere in here about the size of the battery, but my guess is it's going to be around a 300. That's just a guess, maybe 350, something like that. But I did notice, and then they give you some spare props in here too, and they're just the push-on type, you know. And then they give you this little warning sticker here about the calibration and that stuff there, how to bind it up. There's the calibration. On this one, it's just one stick down and to the right. So, it has the takeoff land button, on and off switch, high-low speed. I think there's 3 speeds on there actually. It has the headless mode, and then it has these little programmed maneuvers on here. There's 2 of them, so we're going to do them here in the model. We moved the model, by the way. This was where the model was, but they moved it to another apartment, so I won't be coming in here much longer. Somebody's going to be moving in here. But yeah, we're going to try these couple little programmed deals here. And what I did notice, though, about this is that you can remove the guy. You just slide him off of there. Hold on. I got to do it this way. Right there. He just slides right off. So you can actually just fly this thing without the guy. But I don't know if the guy has anything to do with the balance of the thing, so I don't know. If you took this off, I might try it. Maybe I'll go outside and try it. But if you took the guy off, it might throw the balance out of whack on this thing. Who knows? But they do make it removable, so if you want to try that out, you can. So let's get it bound up. Let's turn it on, which is right there. There it goes. It's coming on. Let's turn on the transmitter. Okay. It does it like its own little self-level calibration. When you turn it on, it starts trying to read it and everything, but we're going to try the manual one. I don't see it doing anything. Who cares, right? Let's just fly it, okay? So let's just do what's important. I'm gonna sit it on the floor because I'd lift it off from here, but I don't know how high it's gonna go up. I think it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let me bring the, okay, it has 3 rates. And this way we'll get to check out the battery life too. The Flying Man. It's very maneuverable, I can tell you that. Okay, so let's try some of these pre-programmed deals here. Okay, I'm going to try the first one, which is on the top part of the shoulder button here. Okay, so it just does a couple of spinoramas. Let's try the other one. Okay, so it just does an out and back. Like, the range on this thing is only, I think it said 30 feet. Yeah, the range on this is not far at all. It's mostly an indoor type of a toy. I am going to try it outside though. Yeah, so that's what that does. That just does like a little out and turn around and... I think it's pretty cool. It was, I think, like $16 or something like that. Okay, real quick, let me try to do it without the taking the guy off. Okay, we're gonna give him a rest. Okay, he can take a nap. Let's go for it with that. Whoa. Okay, wow, that was a little crazy there for a second. I had to like, don't panic, okay? Just calm, keep calm. Okay, let's try those maneuvers without the dude on there. Okay, so it seems to still fly okay. The takeoff was a little hairy because it was taking off on the props. You know, the guy is like the landing gear, okay? But once you got it in the air, it's fine. Once you got over that initial, I'll put the flight time in too. Once you got over that initial takeoff, little sideways takeoff, everything was okay, so. Now, you know, if you fly this thing without that dude on there, you're going to get a lot more flight time, okay? So, because that guy weighs as much as the rest of this thing. This is just basically like a flying wing here. All right. This is a great toy, man. I'm telling you. This is a nice toy for the money. I knew I was going to crash. It was just a matter of time. Anyway, I tried one of those little maneuvers right there, and it got too close to the wall, and I tried to, you know. No big deal, trust me. Do a calibration on it. It's not working. Who cares? Now, I was able to take off without the guy on the carpet because the thing was unable to slide. When it was on here, it was able to, when the props were spinning, it was able to slide off the counter. But on the carpet, it wasn't able to slide away. So if you want to take the guy off and fly it, just take it off on something like that. I'm just running out the battery, guys. I just am curious as to what the battery life's going to be on this thing. It'll be like a with and without type deal. Oh, I thought I saw a light flashing. Okay, so that was it. Battery died. That's okay, though. I thought it did great. This is a great little toy here, guys. Great little toy. The Flying Man. Here he is, right here. Hot dog. All right, guys. I'll put the flight time in there. I don't know if I'll put the clock in there. It all depends on how much footage I use from the other camera. So I don't want to hog up the whole screen with stuff like that. So we'll see. All right, guys. Have a nice day.